This isn't just another AI update. This is a seismic shift in artificial intelligence. An AI model was just unveiled that didn't just pass the Turing test. It completely shattered our expectations of what a machine can understand. We're talking about a level of language comprehension that rivals, and in some tests, even surpasses human experts. Forget everything you thought you knew about chatbots. So what is this breakthrough? It's a new model, let's call it Project Chimera for now, developed by a relatively unknown research lab. They've pioneered a novel architecture they're calling contextual weaving. Unlike previous models that process language linearly, Chimera creates a multidimensional map of meaning, understanding not just words, but the intricate web of context, subtext, and even cultural nuance that surrounds them. Imagine talking to an AI that doesn't just hear your words, but understands your intent, your humor, and the unspoken ideas between the lines. To put this into perspective, let's look at the benchmarks. The standard superglue benchmark, a series of tough language tasks, has been the gold standard for years. The best models like GPT-4 scored around 90. Project Chimera just scored a 97.3. That's not an incremental improvement. That's a leapfrog. In a blind test with linguists, they were asked to differentiate between responses from Chimera and a human expert on complex philosophical topics. Over 70% of the time, they couldn't tell the difference, and in some cases, they rated the AI's response as more insightful and coherent. This is unprecedented. Now, let's talk about the implications because this goes far beyond just having a smarter chatbot on your phone. Think about education. A tutor powered by Chimera could understand a student's confusion on a conceptual level, not just a factual one. It could explain quantum physics using an analogy based on the student's favorite video game, because it understands both domains deeply. This is personalized learning on a scale we've only dreamed of. In the world of science and research, this is a game changer. Scientists could use this AI to sift through millions of research papers, not just looking for keywords, but for conceptual links and undiscovered patterns. It could connect a finding in marine biology with a chemical process described in a paper from a decade ago, accelerating discoveries in medicine, materials science, and more. It's like having an infinitely knowledgeable research assistant who can think laterally across all scientific disciplines. For creative professionals, this is mind-blowing. Imagine a co-writer that doesn't just suggest the next word, but understands the emotional arc of your story. It could point out that a character's dialogue in Chapter 10 contradicts their established personality from Chapter 2, or suggest a plot twist that perfectly aligns with the themes you're trying to explore. It becomes a true collaborative partner, a muse that can reason and create alongside you. And of course, there's the everyday impact. Customer service will transform. No more frustrating conversations with bots that don't understand your problem. You'll be talking to an AI that grasps the situation immediately and provides a solution efficiently. Mental health support could also see a huge benefit, offering an accessible, non-judgmental listener that can understand subtle emotional cues and provide supportive conversation, guiding users to human professionals when needed. But what makes this specific breakthrough so significant is its efficiency. The researchers behind Project Chimera managed to achieve this incredible performance with a model that is reportedly 40% smaller than its predecessors. This means it requires less computational power to run. This isn't just a breakthrough for massive tech companies. It's a step towards democratizing truly advanced AI, making it accessible on smaller devices and for smaller organizations. It opens the door for innovation to flourish everywhere, not just in a few select labs. We are standing on the edge of a new era. The line between human and machine intelligence just got incredibly blurry. This technology will reshape industries, redefine jobs, and change the way we interact with information and with each other. The conversations we're having today about the potential and ethics of AI just became 10 times more urgent and 100 times more exciting. What we've seen today isn't just a new record. It's a new reality. The world of AI is moving at lightning speed, and you don't want to miss a single update. If you found this breakdown insightful and want to stay ahead of the curve on breakthroughs like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.